Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today we are getting into my, I was about to say 5 years. Oh my goodness, I wish. Today we're getting into my 2-year, 4-month lock update. So last update I gave y'all, I did tell y'all I was gonna do a lock detox. And I did do it. I documented the whole process and the content is gone. So, yeah, I don't really, yeah. Anyways, so I don't really have anything to show y'all about that, but I do have some clips and some videos that I'm going to insert into this lock update about my 2-string twist. I do have 2-string twist in right now. I decided to do this style because I feel like I haven't done them in a while. And I also want to give y'all a comparison of when I first put 2-string twist in my hair. Like, it's just ridiculous the amount of growth my hair has grown. Like, it's just absolutely crazy to me. Before I get into the rest of this update, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a 360 of my hair now. And I'm also going to give y'all a 360 of my hair before I wash, retwist, and 2-strand them. So. I love the 2-string twist, but it's also like you're taking a good 2 inches away from my length. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm ready to take them out. They only been in for a week, and I'm ready to take them out. So I did a lock detox, and I was concerned about the back locks that I had. And once I did that detox, it did kind of take a little bit of that buildup out, but I honestly think that most of that was in the back of my locks is lint. No matter how much I try to avoid it, I just feel like it's unavoidable. Like, it's just going to happen unless you're like super extremely cautious with your hair. But you know, it doesn't really bother me that much. Like, sometimes I see it, sometimes I pick at it, but then I just kind of, like, it is what it is. It is what it is. But I have a little bit back there, but it's just not as noticeable as it was. I don't really think you can tell with the 2-string twist, but it's just a part of my lock journey at this point. I recently just did a video on some things that annoy me about my locks, so go ahead and check that out. Y'all, I've been taking a break from laying my edges. I recently just started back, but when I tell y'all, I lost my edge control brush and my edge control. Like, it just disappeared. I don't know where it went. Like, it's just kind of crazy to me because, like, I cleaned up this whole house and I still cannot find it. Like, I just feel like it was just a sign to give my edges a break. So I left my edges alone. I started oiling my edges, and I started using a derma roller. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, I started using this derma roller thingy. I don't even know if that's the correct word for it, but this is what it looked like. It got little spikes on it, right? So I need to clean it. I pretty much just take it and go along my edges, and I really wish I could tell you what it does, but all I know is when I put oil on after I use this, like, I really feel the sensation of, like, the oil stimulating into my edges, and I honestly feel like it works. I feel like my edges have grown. Like, I haven't been pulling out necessary edges, like unnecessary edges, just to lay my baby hairs, and this is what they look like. They're super soft. So I'm like, okay, are they growing? Like, is this like what my edges are supposed to be? And I started using an edge control that's like specifically made for our hair. There's a lot of good edge controls out there, but I feel like a lot of them aren't made for our hair. So I've been using this Miel Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Gel, and this has done really good on my edges. It's not too heavy. Like, I think I was doing too much with the gel because I was doing a heavy gel and then I was tying it down and I was letting it sit for like 30 minutes. Like, I feel like I was just doing too much. And then on top of that, I had this really brittle, rough edge control brush. Now I use this dollar toothbrush that I got from Walmart, and it's super soft, and I honestly, like, I have a few hairs in it, but it's not nearly as many hairs that I had in my other edge control brush. They're trying to grow back in, and that's all I really be laying. Like, I don't be doing all that extra stuff anymore because I just feel like I was just doing too much, honestly. I feel like our edges be having us in a chokehold. They be having us in a chokehold. Oh, I also forgot to tell y'all, it was my birthday on September 4th. I didn't really post any pictures or anything because I didn't really do anything. Like, last year I prepped for my birthday. This year I did not prep for my birthday. I just feel like the weeks have been going by so fast. I've been focusing on other stuff. Like, I really, like, my birthday just kind of snuck up on me. But I do want to tell y'all that it was my birthday and I just turned 28 years young. It's so crazy because, like, I work with, like, a lot of young people. When I tell them, like, my age, they're like, dang, you old. And I'm just like, no, I'm not. Like, you just don't know. Your 20s will fly by so fast, and 30s is knocking at my door. My whole point of doing the 2-strand twist was to take pictures for my birthday, but I didn't even take pictures for my birthday. But I'm going to insert some clips of me retwisting my hair. I just retwisted my hair, and this is the first time that I've ever done a side part. Y'all probably gonna be like, oh, it's cute. I know, but I like to get a glimpse of how long my hair is before I do the 2-strand twist. Like, I love seeing my hair just in its natural state. Like, it's just so long. It's covering the top part of my tattoo. That's just so crazy to me how long my hair has grown. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day and I decided to switch my parts because I wasn't really feeling this side part at all. And I know y'all are gonna be like, oh, it was cute. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. I wore it all day. The hairs were in my face all day and I don't really like that. So I'm moving it to the middle per usual, I just undid it and now I'm just retwisting it again. But I tried something new. I wasn't a fan. So now here I am fixing the problem. I don't know, it's just like the fresh scalp. It just gets so scalpy. I'm not adding any more gel. Just really quick. And I was gonna go on live and show y'all, but I was tired. So I was like, let me come up here. Let me go ahead and record this and show y'all that I'm switching it. But it was cute. I just felt like I just looked different. I don't know. Change always looks different, and it was definitely making me look different. And that was a quick fix. Will I do it again? I'm not really sure. I don't know if I will try side part again. Well, not no time soon. Here we go. This is the finished look. I like this side. I like the middle part. And then when I go running, it'll be easier to get all the hair out my face. And I'll still look cute, you know? So, alright. So I decided to do a side part 2-strand twist, y'all. And I've been a middle girly this whole Loc journey. I've been trying my best, trying to like switch it up. But sometimes some things just need to stay how they are. So I ended up doing a side part. And then I came back and I took it out and I ended up doing a middle part, as you can tell. A side part was just a little bit too permanent for me because I couldn't go to the middle. I couldn't go to the middle at all. But when I have a middle part, I can always do a side part, which is like crazy. All I gotta do is mist it a little bit. But I can do a side part. But the middle part, it wasn't budging. Like, it was just something new. And then on top of that, like, my forehead already be big. I just really felt like it was just stretching it. But y'all gonna be like, oh, it's cute, friends. Like, okay, I know. But, like, it's just so hard trying to do something new. It was cute. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It was cute. I just wasn't used to it. I haven't had a side part since maybe high school. Sometimes when I see my 2-strand twist, I be like, dang, do I want to combine my locks? But then I'm just like, no. We've been there, and I didn't like them. I didn't like the thicker looking locks on me. So whenever I do feel like I want like a little thicker look, just do a 2-strand twist. Simple. I be having to remind myself, like, that's not what you really want. You think you want it, but it's not what you really want. Like, my update videos are short. I recently went live, and I needed, like, I say this all the time, like, how do people be content creators? Like, you have to really be consistent. But I'm really thinking about taking a social media break, like Instagram, TikTok, like all of those, so I can kind of buckle down and lock in on YouTube. Because I feel like I spent a lot of time scrolling, not even on Instagram, be on TikTok. Like, I be so addicted to watching TikTok. If y'all want to follow me on my TikTok, I do post videos on there. The videos that I do post are like the shorts, but they're just a little bit longer. I try to like post the same thing on my YouTube, but I can only post like a minute worth of shorts. So yeah, if you're interested to see what my TikToks be talking about, go look at my TikToks. But I recently went live and I really did enjoy that. I'm gonna start letting y'all know when I'm gonna go live. I'm so like, I be nervous. I be so nervous because I'm such an introvert, and I try to go live on TikTok, but I was a little scared because TikTok, they be going in on folks on there. So I was like, okay, let me start off on YouTube because I have a little community over here. I got like people I kind of recognize by like their names or like their little pictures. Like, I feel comfortable with y'all. So I be coming over here first before I go to TikTok because yeah, it's a little crazy over there. But I do want to start letting y'all know when I'm going to be on live so y'all can tune in and ask me questions and talk to me and get to know me and all that good stuff, because I did enjoy talking to y'all. Y'all were really nice. Like, y'all couldn't, like, like we were just talking. Like I felt like I was on FaceTime with y'all, but it was like a one-way FaceTime. But anyways, I really don't have anything else to update y'all on with my locks, but this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.